There are two parts to this track. The first part, we're going to sink into feeling a sense of security within ourselves and transcending any hurt into healing, love, forgiveness, and sinking into that space within ourselves where we can connect to a deeper sense of love that is in our hearts. The second part to this track, we're going to do a visualization practice where we are going to dissolve any negative circumstances and visualize the person that we want to make amends with us, apologizing, so that we can dissolve the circumstances and create a sense of forgiveness within our hearts. Let's begin. I am willing to forgive and open up to love. Love washes over me and transcends this hurt into healing, into my power, into great lessons, into growth, into rebirth, into more love for myself. I want you to now wrap your arms around yourself and repeat these words. Sink into the feeling. I love you. I love you. I'm sorry you felt this way. It's all gonna be okay. I am safe. I am secure. I am guided. And I am loved. Everything is in divine order. It's all working out. This is the divine bringing me closer to the connection of love within myself. It's right inside of me. I forgive myself for believing in any negative thoughts about myself regarding this situation. This situation doesn't define me or what I deserve. I choose not to identify with what has happened to me. I am letting go of any negative thoughts, stories, and feelings I am holding around this situation. I am choosing to focus on a new beginning. I am letting go. I am choosing love. Forgiveness washes over me. When I forgive and let go, I am free. And I feel free. I am choosing to forgive the situation and let it go now. I am releasing it now. It is dissolved. Now, let's do the visualization practice. I want you to bring into your mind the person you would like to dissolve the circumstances with and make their amends to you. Visualize and sink into the feeling of them saying these words to you. I am so sorry. You are hurting. I didn't mean to hurt you. I love you, and you are worth the entire world. You are worthy and deserving of the greatest type of love and feeling that love. I am so sorry. Please forgive me for what I have done. I would do anything for you to forgive me and accept this apology.